Alright, well, I got a new package. Needed some nutrients and I got them off Amazon. So let's see what they got here. They got the same size I got in the grow room. Oh yeah, I got the quartz. Yeah, I'm really out of bloom and I'm going into flower 7 days. So I got all these stuff and I've got some other stuff that I'm gonna buy. So that's how you mix them. You know, I have silica and I put that in first, and then I put calcium, and then I do this, this, and this. And I'm doing hydroponics, deep water culture, and I did it in my basement for a long time at 5.8 pH, but it was getting brown dots on some of the plants. So what I did was get on Reddit and just see what they had to say, and so I bumped it up to like 6.2 to 6, and it's doing a lot better. So I'm gonna post a video here in a little bit and show my setup in there and what the plants look like. I've got the scrog on them, been pushing through the branches, try to get more growth coming up, and trimmed out some of the bottom of it, get airflow. I've ordered well, I'll just hold it here, and my next video I'll do that for sure. So alright, I'll see you in the next video.